Now that you've started generating stunning AI-powered visuals and animations, it's time to make sure they're optimized for where they'll actually be seen: social media. Each platform has its own preferred formats, and getting this right can be the difference between a scroll past and a scroll stopping moment. So in this lesson, we're going to break down the best formats to use across major platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Let's start with the big one, Instagram. If you're posting to your main feed, square 1:1 or vertical 4:5 videos tend to perform best. But for stories and reels, you'll want full vertical 9:16. That's 1080 pixels wide by 1920 tall. These fill the screen on mobile and maximize engagement. Reels also favor fast-paced edits, eye-catching visuals, and videos under 30 seconds. TikTok follows a similar rule. Vertical 9:16 is the only way to go here, and videos should grab attention within the first 3 seconds. That means bold motion, vibrant colors, or text overlays that immediately hook the viewer. AI-generated animations from a still image can work beautifully as long as they feel dynamic and intentional. Now for YouTube. Standard YouTube videos are widescreen, 16:9 aspect ratio, typically 1920 by 1080 pixels. That works best for longer form content, especially if you are combining several AI-generated clips into a cohesive story or explainer. But don't forget YouTube Shorts. These use the same 9:16 vertical format as Reels and TikToks and are a great place to repurpose that same content for a new audience. Facebook is a bit more flexible. Square 1:1 works great in the feed, while vertical 4:5 or 2:3 is ideal for mobile-first posts. Just like Instagram, stories on Facebook also use the 9:16 vertical format. If you're creating ads, Facebook recommends keeping videos short, under 15 seconds, with captions or motion-based text to engage viewers even without sound. Then there's LinkedIn, where a more professional tone is usually expected. Landscape videos 16:9 work best here, especially for product demos, thought leadership, or behind-the-scenes content. Aim for clarity, simplicity, and a format that looks good on desktop and mobile. A quick tip: always export your videos in MP4 format unless a platform specifically says otherwise. MP4 is widely supported, compresses well without losing quality, and keeps your file sizes manageable. Lastly, keep an eye on file size limits and upload specs for each platform. You don't want to spend time perfecting an animation only to have it rejected or compressed into blurry oblivion. To sum up, choose your format based on where your audience is watching. Vertical for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. Square or vertical for Instagram and Facebook feeds. Landscape for YouTube and LinkedIn. With the right format, your AI-created content won't just look good, it'll perform better too.